Hi, in today's session, we will be talking about note-taking skills from the academic skills. The learning outcome for today's session will be note-taking skills and their importance. So what we are going to cover today, we will be talking about what is note-taking, why is it important, and what are the available techniques, and how to listen well for effective note-taking. So in short, we will be concentrating on the what, why, and how of note-taking. So what is note-taking? Note-taking is a systematic approach to processing the information presented to you by scanning the main points, which means noting down the main points for future reference. However, according to the University of Leeds Library Resources, note-making is not just about writing down everything you hear or read, but it is a process of reviewing, connecting, and synthesizing ideas from your lectures or reading. So, in short, note taking is not just about writing down everything that you hear from a lecture, but it is about understanding and then writing the key points from the lecture. This can be from your reading, or it can be from an online lecture, or it can be from a class. So why is it important? Why is note-taking so important? Note-taking can help you reduce your study time. Notes are useful when preparing for assessments, and it can boost your knowledge skills of the topic. Apart from that, note-taking also helps you to stay active and engaged during lectures, reading, or revision. And it helps you to understand what you are learning. So it clarifies your thought and it can help you to synthesize your learning. It can help you to plan and organize your work so you can prepare for your assessments better. It can also help you while revising for your exams. So how do you take notes? What are the techniques of note-taking? As per Veracity Tutors, some available techniques are the outline format and concept mapping or web. So what does these two terms mean? What does outline format of note-taking mean? The outline format is highly organized. The main topic acts as headers with accompanying details listed under them, which means the relevant information goes under the heading. You can use Roman numerals and alphanumerical combination or just bullet points. And it can be used in flowcharts as well as in linear. So there is an image on this slide where you can see how outline format is used. The second format is concept mapping or web format. Concept mapping demonstrates how diverse ideas are connected, how main points are placed in the center, and associated ideas branch off as appropriate. Arrows describe the relationship between the main idea and the sub-idea. Always you must make sure that the relationship and the order of the idea is correct. Apart from that, it can also help you to organize ideas and consider relationship between them. We will have a look at an image of concept mapping, which will help you to clarify. So as you can see in this image, the main idea, which is an online shop, is in the center, and then sub-ideas are branched out from the main ideas, and then the sub-idea is further divided into some more points. So as you can see, this is a very simple and easy way of taking notes and remembering information. The mind map or concept map starts with the central topic and breaks it down into subtopics. It allows you to map knowledge in a manner in which it is easier to remember new information, and it helps you to focus on the central topic, while the sub-ideas or the subtopics can be branched out. So as you can see, it is also a very easy way of taking notes. You may do a little activity for your memory. So you can create a concept map from one of the ideas that we have discussed in class. Now we will look at another method, which is Cornell method. So we used two formats. We saw two formats, which is outline format and concept mapping format. And now we are going to look at a method, which is called Cornell method. Cornell method is useful for both during the class as well as for after lecture study. You may divide the paper into three sections. The middle section is biggest, where you explain main points. One side is used for headings, and it is referred to main points, and the other for summary. The third part is for summary. You may take notes in your favorite style, such as web or linear. Summary allows you to state your own understanding of the lecture, which could be run by the lecturer. So you may write the summary of the lecture in the summary section, which will be in your own words, and that would be the understanding of what you have understood from the lecture, and you can then show it to the lecturer to make sure that what you're understanding is correct. This is an image of Cornell method of note-taking, which can clarify how it looks. So can you take notes without listening? No, it's not possible. So what must you do in order to take good notes? You have to listen better. You must always pay attention, and you must pay attention to the lecture, not to the lecturer. Respond to the changes and developments in the lecture and the lecturer by taking mental notes. So apart from taking notes in your books, you are also expected to take some mental notes, which means you must remember the main ideas, or if you have any good new ideas that are popping out in your mind, you must note them down in your mind. So you must keep them in your memory. Here is a little YouTube video which you have listened to in class, and we have done little activity about taking notes by listening to a video. So I hope this session has been helpful to you, and these are some of the references that have been used to create this PowerPoint. Thank you.